Remember KI.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing an unboxing for Cocotique. So this is the second time that I decided to try this black owned company's monthly subscription. Okay, so the first time I was not disappointed. I did enjoy the products, and yes, still currently using everything, I'm telling you, everything that was in that last box. So yeah, I have another one here. I have all the information about the company along the screen, as well as down below in the description box, so that you guys, if you're interested in signing up for this company, you can receive your monthly subscription. So I am just gonna cut through everything. Okay, we're gonna cut through this box and we're gonna get straight into this, and I'll show you guys what is in it for the month of March. Okay, so I was hoping like last time they would have a bag. They have a little bag with all the items in it. Oh, and it looks like, so cute. Wait, oh, it's a new one. I believe these are two different types of wording that is on here. So this is the new one. It says spread love, kindness, and compassion. Cocotique. Hashtag self-care box. Yay! Self-care in a box. Yeah, I'm super excited. So let's go ahead. Okay, let's dig into this. All right. I cannot wait. This box has been sitting here waiting for me to do an unboxing. So, see, they have a couple flyers here. Oh, so the first thing that they have here are some samples of Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. And these are two-step hair masks. Okay, deep conditioning and protective glaze. Now, I love Palmer's. You can find them in pretty much, if you're into like freebies like I am, these samples here, or these different types of samples from Palmer's, are always available, and they have really, really good products. So yeah, those are the two-step hair mask. Oh, you actually get two of those in here. Excited about that. Yeah, so Palmer sent two of those inside. Up next, they have, this is from Embellish. I think it's called Embellish. Might be Embellish. But this is the Bayou Salute. This is a hand sanitizer. And okay, cool. Perfect. This is something you definitely need around this time. So yeah, let me see what it smells like. Oh, can't really smell it, which is sometimes good. Some scented hand sanitizers stay. Oh, I can smell the alcohol. It's strong. Okay, that is strong. This is, how much percentage? Kills 99% of germs, and I believe this is 70% alcohol. Yeah, it's 70 right there in that orange. 70% alcohol. Trust me, you can smell it. That's how I like my hand sanitizer. I don't care about the scent. I want to make sure that there's enough alcohol to kill these germs, okay? Because we are in some crazy times right now. So the next thing I have here is from Dove. Okay, this is the Dove Amplified Textures. So this is a twist-in moisture shaping buttercream for curls and coils. Oh, cool. Okay, this is for wash and go. I didn't even know Dove had this. Did you all know about this? First of all, I love the size of this. This is a big product. How big is this? 10.5 ounces. Okay. Oh, I bet it smells so good. You know it smells so good. Let me see. Yeah, it smells really good. It's basically just a smell of cocoa butter. I can definitely smell the cocoa butter in this. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Dove. Let's see. So the next one here is from Rail. This is Natural Feminine Wipes. Okay, so this is fragrance free, and you get 10 flushable feminine wipes that are good for on the go. Okay. First of all, I love the packaging on this. Very thick packaging. So comment down below if you guys feel that everything you've seen inside of this box is worth the price, and if you'd be interested in trying these products. Okay, yeah, they definitely have full size products in here. This is from Curl Care. Okay, this is the coconut oil, argan oil, and vitamin E, and this is used for intensive deep conditioning of your hair. Huge bottle. Smells good. Yeah, that smells really good. Once again, this is another one that has that coconut scent, so I like the smell of coconut. Let's see what else we have. So this next one here is from Hawaiian Silky, and this is the Miracle Worker. Okay, this is the 14-in-1. So this is a no drip activator and moisturizer. Let's see what it smells like. I'm just gonna take the top off. Oh, that smells good. That smells so good. Yeah, that's something you would want in your hair, especially now that it's getting warmer. It's like a very light scent, but it smells so good. So the next one here is Lavender Chamomile from Vitabath. And this is a body cream. Okay, good. I love it. You can never have too many body creams. Like, I always make sure that I have some of these. Let's see how soft it is. Come on out of there. Don't be shy. Okay, it's shy. There we go. I hear it. Body cream is so hard to get out of a container. Much thicker than regular lotion. I know that scent. I remember smelling this when I was a kid. I don't know. It kind of puts me in the mind of like, it smells like some type of hair grease. I don't know if that'll be a good or a bad thing for you guys. But for me, yeah, this is nostalgia. This smells like, back in the day, there was a hair grease that was blue. Okay, you all remember the smell of that blue hair grease? It smells exactly like it, but it has me so shiny. See, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I get dry skin quickly, especially during the winter, you know, winter time. And then now that it's getting warmer, I need to make sure I'm not ashy. So, oh, this is my last product. Okay, so this is the last one that I have here. This is from Eden Body Works. And Eden Body Works has this hibiscus honey. This is a curl hydration conditioner. And I love the look of this bottle. Let me just take the top off because I can't squeeze it out. Again, another one that has a very faint scent, but it smells good. So yeah, definitely something good that you can transition into for the spring. And yeah, not bad. So here are the pros and cons. So the last time, you guys, I will have that information at the end of the video, as well as at the top of the screen, so you guys can see the previous unboxing. And there's a huge difference, okay? There is a huge difference between last time and now. So the last time that I did an unboxing, it was so many products in the box. And I think all of them pretty much were full-size products. But with this box here, I'm assuming these are like 5 like sample packages. These are things that you would, like, if you have anything that's like 10 wipes or so, that would usually be like $1 at the Dollar Tree. And then these samples, like I said, I'm the type of person, I'm freebie babe. All right, trust me, I know the samples. And these are samples that would come from Palmer's. These would also be samples as well. These are sample sizes. Anything that's like 1 and 2 ounce like these. So I'm disappointed that there are not more full-size products, and I'm also disappointed that it's not as many products as I received in my last box. However, I do love every single thing in here, but I'm starting to also wonder, okay, Dove, I don't believe Dove is a black-owned business, and Palmer's. I don't know if Palmer's is a black-owned business, so I'm not exactly sure if this is just promoting a black-owned business that sends in self-care products from all over, or if it's supposed to be about, you know, having these products that are all black-owned. So that I kind of got a mixed signal on. But like I said before, I do love the products. I think my favorite one is, I'm kind of torn between this Dove here, and I'm torn between this Embellish. Okay, these two products are the ones that I know I'm going to use like crazy. But overall, like I said, I like the products. I can't wait to try them out. But they definitely stiffed me from the last time that I received these products. If you guys like or didn't like or whatever, please share your comments down below in the description box. And if you enjoy watching this unboxing, I would really appreciate that thumbs up. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you would like to see more unboxings from Cocotique or more like it, then guys, definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and turn your notification bells on so that you'll be reminded each and every time I upload. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.